Reggae artist Savannah on trial for causing death by dangerous driving. Reggae artist Savannah on Tuesday appeared before the court after being charged for a May 25th incident that surrounded her reportedly causing death by dangerous driving. The singer's attorney, Ushane Morgan, spoke on the matter on the court date, and where he stated that the artist, whose real name is Anna Blake, will seek to appear before the court once more on November 23rd. The Tuesday court date was treated as a preliminary as the other sessions set for the future, and according to Morgan, Savannah had to appear or else a warrant would have been sent out for her to be placed in custody. The singer's involvement in the legal proceeding at this time, according to her attorney, did not interfere with her freedom to perform at concerts or other events. The incident that finds Savannah in this predicament happened on May 25th, when the singer was said to be driving a Honda car back to Kingston, and while driving behind a truck that suddenly drew brakes, she had to swerve out of the road, which led her to eventually lose control of the car, which led to a collision into a Honda Fit motor vehicle. According to the reports, the person driving the Honda Fit was identified as Ordia Cordial, who received injuries that proved to be fatal after her being admitted to the Black River Hospital in St. Elizabeth.